Hi guys, welcome back to Mathfield. In this video, we'll discuss word problems on system of linear equations. Let us see the first problem. In a shop, 2 pens and one notebook cost $50. 2 pens plus one notebook cost $50. And also 1 pen plus three notebooks cost $70. Find cost of 1 pen and one notebook. So you can see the both equations, right? For cost of 1 pen and one notebook, like separately we need to find cost. Now let us see. If we multiply the second equation by 2, we will get 2p and we can eliminate the p and get the value of n. So let us do that. Second equation becomes 2p plus 6n equals to 140. First equation is 2p plus n equals to 50. Now if we subtract 2p 2p cancel, 6 minus 1 is 5n, 140 minus 50 is 90. N equals to 90 by 5, which is 5 ones are 5, 4 is remaining 40, 5 18s, N equals to 18. Let us calculate P. 2p plus 1 n equals to 50, right? 2p plus n 18 equals to 50, which implies 2p equals to 32, p equals to 32 by 2, which is 16. So p equals to 16, n equals to 18. So 1 pen costs $16 and one notebook cost $18. Let's see the second problem. A fruit seller sells apples and oranges. Apples and oranges. One day he sold a total of 60 fruits and collected $460. So apples plus oranges equals to 60 and collected $460. The price on one apple is $10 and the price of one orange is $6. 10 Each apple costs $10. 10 into A plus each orange costs $6. 6 into O equals to 460. To eliminate A, let us multiply the first equation by 10. It becomes 10A plus 10O equals to 600. 10A plus 6O equals to 460. Now let us subtract second equation from first equation. 10 minus 10, 0. 10 minus 6 is 4. 4 oranges equals to 600 minus 460, which is 140. Orange equals to 140 by 4, which is 70 by 2, which is 35. So orange equals to 35. Now let us substitute in equation 1 to get number of apples. A plus 35 equals to 60, which implies A equals to 25. And we already got oranges as 35. Now what are they asking? The next day the price of each apple increased by $2 and each orange increased by $1. With same number of apples and oranges sold as previous day, the total collection becomes $545. So apple uh, price increased by $2. Orange price increased by $1. The cost of apple previously was 10. Now $2 increased, becomes 12. whereas orange it was 6. Now $1 got increased. Now it becomes $7. But the quantity remains same because with same number of apples and oranges sold. So now let us calculate. The quantity is 25 apples and 35 oranges, right? 25 into 12 plus 35 into 7. 25 into 12 can be written as 10 plus 2, right? 25 into 10 is 250. 250 plus 25 into 2 is 50. Plus 35 into 7. 7 5 is 35. 7 3 is 21 plus 3. 24. 245. 300 plus 245 becomes 545. Now let us check. Yeah, the total collection became 545. So it satisfied the second condition. So the number of apples and oranges sold are 25 and 35. Thank you.